Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop suggested account on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Safari account. Your Safari or any browser that you are using, and log in your Instagram account. And now you want to click on your profile at the lower right corner of your screen and click on Edit Profile. So now you want to scroll down until you see Show Account Suggestions on Profile. So just go ahead and uncheck that box and click on Submit. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.